Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect your TradingView paper account. TradingView is a great way to practice trades and test out new strategies without risking real money. It's a valuable tool for beginners and experienced traders alike, and it's easy to set up. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to connect your paper trading account in TradingView. So let's get started. TradingView makes connecting your paper trading account, or also known as a demo account, really simple. All of the paper trading tools and information is found way down here at the bottom of our TradingView screen. You're going to see this line right here at the very bottom, and what you're going to look at is your trading panel. And if you click on Open Trading Panel, now if you see in my chart, I just clicked on Open Trading Panel and it almost appears that nothing happens. Now, if this happens for you, what you need to know is there's a line right above this that actually you can resize parts of the screen. And so if you click on your trading panel and nothing happens, you need to resize the bottom of the screen so that you're seeing this. There's a whole lot more there than what usually pops up. Normally you would click on your trading panel and you would see something probably about this size, but if not, it's really an easy remedy. Like I said, just grab this line right here and move it up and down just to resize it, and you're going to get all of the information that you need. Now what you're going to see is this is a list of all of the brokers that TradingView allows you to connect to. One of the options that is down here is called paper trading, and all you need to do is click on connect. Once you click on connect, a box is going to come up basically saying, hey, this is simulated trading. It's just like real trading, but uses digital currency so that you can practice trading. And you're going to say connect. And once you click connect, now you're going to see this green button pop up besides paper trading, and that tells you you are connected. Anytime you want to toggle this paper trading information off, all you need to do is click that button, and it's going to show you though that you are still connected. So even though I toggled the information off, if I said, hey, I don't want to see this screen this big anymore, you can just click that, but you are still connected as long as you see that green button down here by paper trading. So getting your account connected is really simple. Now within paper trading, you have a couple of options that you can change depending on how you're choosing to use your paper trading account. If you come down here to paper trading, you can reset your paper trading account, which I think it defaults to 100 grand, like all of your account default to that. But let's say that you know that you're going to put in 25 grand to a trading account with your broker. I suggest that you trade with an amount in your paper trading account that is going to be similar to the amounts that you're starting out with, so that you can get a real feel for how fast the profits compound, or that when you're losing, how fast those accounts can go down. And it gives you a lot more of a realistic feel of what you can expect to see when you're in the live markets, if you're consistent with your trades and if you have an actual trading plan that you're following. So you're going to have whatever amount there that you want in your trading account, and you say reset. You can do that as many times as you want. If you make a mistake and blow your paper trading account, it's fine. You come back down here to paper trading and just say reset trading account, and at any time you can change the amount that is in your paper trading account. You can change commission settings, and you can take, and if you know about what commission your brokerage firm is charging or not charging, if it's flat rate, there's a lot of different ways to set this up. Here is the default commission. You can change that easily up or down to be whatever you want. Say okay. You do have trading settings down here that you can change, but this changes your chart settings for even in the live markets across your TradingView, so that when you're going in and changing those chart settings, just know that that is not temporary. I have a whole video in the beginner's course that's right here. If you just look at the beginner's playlist that goes down, and I don't remember which unit that is, but I have a whole video on how I have set up my TradingView. You can scoot over and look at that if you want to. So just be aware any changes you make here are also in the live market. And also in the paper trading, there is a little tutorial here. If you click on that, it's going to come up and just kind of go through paper trading, simulated trading, demo trading. I'm going to talk about that and talk about some of the ways that they have that set up. It's helpful if you haven't ever tried paper trading. You can go through and look at that. You also over here have the summary row that you can choose to see your account balance, what equity and open profit. You can choose to export the data out of your paper trading account. You can then click on to see the brokerage list to come back to, which comes back to like kind of the trading panel home screen. And you can log out from your paper trading right here as well. Now in your paper trading, you also have where it tells you how many positions you have open, how many orders, the history, the account history, your trading journal. And as you take trades through your paper trading, this is going to fill in and give you the same type of information you're going to have when you're trading in the live market. You'll see the account balance that's listed over here is 25K. Remember, that's what I had put a few minutes ago. So if you change that to 100,000, whatever, you're going to see those account balances and that account equity adjusting as your trades are running. When you have your paper trading account connected, if I just toggle this back down and come over and say that I want to place a trade, you can place a trade here by just clicking on the buy. It's going to bring up your trading panel. You can right click here, and if you right click, if you come down to trade and come down to create new order, it's going to bring up your trading panel. Or if you come over to your right hand side and come down to almost the icon right before the bottom, you're going to have your order panel, and you can bring the order panel up at any time, and you can place buy or sell orders right from that panel. And just remember, everything that you are doing in this account is with virtual currency. It is not with real money. As long as it says paper trading down here, you are free to do whatever you want. Nothing you do is going to take away from your real trading funds. As a matter of fact, anytime you are messing around or trying something new or trying to learn something, I recommend that you connect to your paper trading account and not to your brokerage firm, because it is so easy to be playing around, especially when you're a beginner, and end up taking a trade out of your brokerage account versus your paper trading account. So just be mindful what account you have connected, and congratulations, you now know how to connect your TradingView paper trading account. With this powerful tool, you can practice your trades and test out new strategies without any risk. Remember, paper trading is a great way to gain experience and confidence in your trading abilities. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and we look forward to seeing you in the markets. Happy trading.